Oh, look, finally split the glove. So that's 5 pounds. They say bump it up to 14. To seat the bearings. And you want to roll it around a little bit. And then you want to back it down. To 5. And that's 5 pounds. There's not any play going back and forth. And then you want to pin it. And some people say back it off 30 degrees after the 5 pounds. You decide on your own. We can put on the hub now. I mean the rotor and the spacer. But I have to run the brake lines, get the brakes all hooked up. I'll do all that when we put the brakes on. And along with the tie rods and everything else. But this is all buttoned up. It's stiff. I think it's going to make a difference in the steering. Oh, I guess I could put the shock in. Why not? Hold on, let me get the shocks. Alright, so we got the shock. Got the rubber mounted. We're going to slide it up and slide you back. This one of my neighbors popping caps. I need a stool or something for y'all. Hold on, I got one. We're working on the shock. I need more space. I had to put a jack under it to compress it a little bit. This may or may not work. We'll see. It's a 14, but it's oddly shaped. Hold on. Look at that. There it is. That's the way I like it. You can make it face your own preferred direction. I guess we could put the rest of this together. I don't see why not. Gotta do some cleaning and stuff. Hold on, we'll see.